and generate sufficient income, whether temporarily or permanently. YouTube views can help make any business succeed online. YouTube views can lead you to a brighter future from various opportunities presented to you when your video goes viral. YouTube views can help your financial status. YouTube views can increase your chances of getting your video famous. YouTube views can increase your chances of getting your videos indexed and noticed on Google and Google Videos. YouTube views can make you or your video more famous. YouTube views can make you extra cash by monetizing your videos. YouTube views can make you or your channel more AdSense revenue. YouTube views can get you video likes. YouTube views can make you rich. YouTube views can build your brand. YouTube views can expose your new inventions and more to possible entrepreneurs, which may change your future, whether temporarily or permanently. YouTube views can bring leads, opt-ins, sales, and more. YouTube views can make your videos more popular. YouTube views can help you in many different ways. Some people are making full-time incomes with YouTube views, and some have retired of YouTube AdSense earnings and more, such as selling their own products or affiliate products and more. YouTube views can make your videos appear in the recommended sections on YouTube to get more exposure or views. YouTube views can help you get feedback to help better your product or business.